Good morning, everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about that continuation of last video. What was the last video? In our last video, we discussed about internal structure of Earth. And in the last video, I introduced about the internal structure of Earth. Internal structure of Earth. What is the internal structure of Earth and what we have discussed? Earth has three layers. Three layers. Right or not? Earth has three layers. How many layers here? Three layers. What are they? They are, one is mantle. The second one is first one is crust. Sorry to say, mantle, crust and core. Mantle and crust, core. Crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle and core. What is that one? That one is, what is that first? The first thing is crust, mantle and core. Crust, mantle, core. This I have introduced in the last class about the Earth internal structure. Is right or not? You may have read out once. Watch that last video. In the last video, I have given the Earth three layers. Three layers name. What is the first one? Crust. Second one, mantle. Third one, core. And in before video, I had explained how these three layers were formed. Is it right or not? How these three layers were formed? Initially, Earth, what was the condition of Earth? In which state our Earth was there? Burning stage, producing heat always. Having burning stage of Earth attracted a biggest rocks into them, and then the rock will be blasted. With the blasted pieces, three layers are formed. Heavier particle pieces goes down and form one layer. Lighter weight particles goes to the up where they formed another layer. In middle they will be also formed. This is the way the three layers were formed. Now these three layers, I would like to give a detailed information about each layer in this class. Okay. How many layers of Earth? How many layers of Earth? Earth has three layers. One is crust, second one is mantle, third one is core. The first one is crust. Earth crust. What is the first layer? Crust. What is the first layer is? Crust. Crust. So this crust layer is the topmost layer of Earth. Topmost layer. What is this? Topmost layer. Topmost layer of Earth. Basically, it consisted or it comprises rocks and mountains. It comprises or it consists. What it consists? Rocks. Or it comprises with rocks. What is the topmost layer of Earth? Here it consists of rock, hot rock. With what it was composed? It was formed with rocks, hot rocks. Now, how much percentage of this crust in the total layer? For example, if you feel this is earth, if you feel this is earth. The total earth, if you imagine, this is total earth, the percentage is 100%. The total, how much of earth is? You feel the total earth, if you think the total earth is 100%, if you imagine or if you think the total earth is in 100%, and out of 100%, how much percentage of crust? How much percentage of crust in the total earth? The total amount of earth. How much of percentage of crust? The total amount of earth. That is, the crust is 1%. How much percentage is? 1%. Only 1% of layer is a crust in the total layer of earth. The total layer of earth. This is 1%. It is consists of rocks. Next, it is thickness. How much thickness? From here to here. This is thickness. You know that? How much thickness? Here to here. The thickness. How much thickness? Thickness of crust. The thickness of crust is various. That meaning it's not the same. It's not having same thickness across earth. The thickness is different. In somewhere it is 30 kilometers to 30 to 100 kilometers. 30 to 100 kilometers. This is the crust. This is the crust. What do you call? This is crust. The crust. Next, this is crust. This is crust. This is the crust. What do you call? Crust. How much percentage? 1%. Thickness is 30 to 100 kilometers. 30 to 100 kilometers. 30 to 100 kilometers. 30 to 100 kilometers. This is earth crust. What is the importance of this? It consists of rock. It consists rock. I formed with rock. This is about the crust. The next one is the other important layer is mantle. What is this one? Mantle. Second one is mantle. Where is the mantle? Mantle is the second layer of earth. Second layer of earth. It is second layer of earth. Second layer of air is called as mantle. This is mantle. Here, if we observe this rough diagram, we can get one idea about the crust. Where the crust? The crust is floating. Float. How the boats are flow over the water waves? Is right or not? Have you ever observed the boat? Have you ever observed the boat over the water? How it will be? It will be floating and how this is a water. It is a water. All the water, what will be there? Boats and boats are there, no? Boats. Boat. This is water. How the boat will be over the water? The boat will be floating or not? Floating, moving, forward and backward, forward and backward. How the boat will be moving as a forward and backward, or moving that side to this side? How the boat will be moved? How the boat will be moved that side to this side and move, push forward and backward because of this water. Where is the boat? Over the water. How the water will be? The water will be floating in waves. How the water there? Waves. Because of the water waves, over the water waves, the boat will be flow. Like how the boats are floating over the water waves, like the crust. What is the crust? The topmost layer of air, the crust, same will be floating over the mantle. Where is the crust? Where is the crust? Where is the layer of crust? Where is the layer of crust? The layer of crust is floating over the mantle, over the layer of mantle. It is second layer of air. So this is, it consists hot metals, hot liquid metals, it consists of hot metal like silicate. What is the metal it consists of? Hard metal. What is the hard metal consisting mantle? Silicate. Silicate is a hard metal which we can found in mantle. It is the second layer of that. Next, the other important one is here. It is the thickness percentage. How much percentage of mantle in the total percentage of earth? How much percentage? It is the 16 percentage. How much percentage? Total percentage of the earth? 16 percentage. Mantle is a second layer which is consisted 16 percentage of the 16 percentage the total part of earth. How much portion of land, how much portion the mantle consisted in the total part of earth? How much percentage? 16 percentage. How much percentage of the crust? It is 1%. It is 1%, but mantle 16%. Mantle is 16%. Mantle is 16%. The total percentage of earth. If we add this 1 to how much is crust is 1%, mantle 16%. Totally these two layers consist 17%. The first and two layers only occupying 17% of land, 17%. The remaining most of the percentage occupying the third one. This is thickness. Now thickness. How much thickness it has? How much thickness it has? The thickness of mantle. The thickness of mantle is starts from where it was ended. The thickness of crust ended at what kilometers? It starts with 30 kilometers. Ended how many kilometers thickness? 100. From there, from 100 kilometers to 2,900 kilometers. How many kilometers? 100 kilometers to 2,900 kilometers. The thickness of mantle is how much? 100 kilometers to 2,900 kilometers of thickness. Where the crust layer thickness ended, from where the mantle thickness started. The mantle thickness started from where the crust thickness ending. At how many kilometers the thickness ending in crust? 100 kilometers. This is 100 kilometers. From here, which line started? From 100 thickness, mantle started. The mantle started from 100 kilometers to 2,900 kilometers. This is the mantle. The third one, what is the third one? Core. Core is third layer. What is the layer is? Third layer is core. Crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, core. This is the third layer of air. Third layer of air. Third layer. It's consisted with the hard materials, hard metals. It consists hard metals like iron and gold. Iron and gold are consistent in core. Iron and metal, gold consist in core. Particularly core layer divided into two sublayers. Core divided into two sublayers. The core consists two sublayers. Core have sublayers. What is the core sublayers? They are, the first one is inner core. Second one is outer core. Inner core and outer core. Inner core, outer core. Core how many? It has the two sublayers. The first one is inner core. The next one is outer core. Inner core and outer core. Inner core, outer core. Iron and nickel is highly present in this core. Highly present in outer core or inner core. Outer core, the first one is, if you see this core, outer core. Outer core thickness. Outer core thickness. The thickness of outer core is, it starts from 2,900 to ended at 5,900 kilometers. Mantle, where the mantle thickness ended, from where the outer core thickness started. Outer core thickness started from 2,900 to 5,100 kilometers. Next, the other one is inner core. The other sublayer of core is inner core. It starts from 5,100 kilometers to ended 6,376 kilometers. 6,376 kilometers. Here we should understand one thing. After see these two cores, that is inner core and outer core, we come to the one idea. What is that idea? The total core thickness. Total core thickness how much? How much of total core thickness? Total core thickness. Total core. How much? Starts from 2,900 to 6,376 kilometers. This is the core. The total 2,900 to 6,376 kilometers divided into two sublayers. If we see the core percentage in the total earth, the total amount of air percentage, how much percentage is occupied? How much percentage the core occupied in the total percentage of earth? How much? Already you know that. How much percentage is occupied by the two layers, crust and mantle? How much? These two we added 17%. 200, how much is remaining? The remaining 83, that is remaining 83%. How much percentage is? 83%. 83% occupied the core. How much percentage of core? 83%. How much percentage of crust? 1%. How much of percentage mantle? 16%. 16%. Okay. I am going to write once again those percentages individually. We take one table. Percentage. Core, crust. What is the crust percentage? 1%. Second percentage is mantle. Mantle percentage is 16%. Core percentage, it is 83%. Totally how much? 100%. 100% is sufficient enough or not? This is our internal structure of Earth. We will meet again with another concept in next video. Till that, have a nice day and we maintain the running notes well.